Hi, everybody. We're gonna wait like maybe 1 or 2 more minutes before getting started. But there's a sign-in link below, so feel free to fill that out. And we can give it at the end as well if you guys need. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? Kevin, could I make you a co-host so you can also admit people from the waiting room?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay. Okay, let's get started. Hi, everybody. Welcome to the case workshop. There's a sign-in link here below. It's tinyurl.com/DSS FA20CW shop. Actually, I'll give you guys maybe like another minute or so to just like go there and fill that out, and then we'll get started. Okay, cool. Yeah, let's get into it now. So what we're going to be doing today is first we'll be giving a quick exec and club intro. It's very similar to what was gone over in the info session. So you guys can look at slides for that after this if you need to. Then we'll introduce all of the project managers and then give another review of the recruitment timeline. And then at the end, we'll be getting into breakout rooms for the sample case. And then after the sample case, you guys will have the chance to just hop onto Discord and talk with any other PMs if you'd like. By the way, these slides for the sample case will not be posted. And this meeting is only going to be recorded until the breakout rooms portion. So just a heads up. All of the slides until the sample case portion are like copied from the info session. So you can just look at the info session if you need to refer back to those. So the president of our organization is Andy. He's not here today. Eric is our IVP, and he's not here today either. But my name is Samir Paranik, and I'm the director of consulting. And this case workshop is really for if you're interested in applying for the consulting committee. But just a brief overview of what the Data Science Society actually is. First, let's get into how we started, right? We really started to pioneer data science as an academic field at Berkeley. We were the first student-run data science organization at Berkeley. And we launched 2 years before any news about a degree program even was there, right? So we started in 2016 and the data science major became a degree program in 2018.
Oh my
God. And
happy birthday.
By the way, if you guys could also just mute yourselves. Yeah, thank you. The next thing we did when we started was we hosted this large scale external event such as the Berkeley Data Science panel. We filled Wheeler all the way. And then when we started, we also, our mission was to really just educate the Berkeley community on what data science is and how you can learn more about it. So where are we now? Now we do a variety of different things in addition to a lot of the things that we started with in mind, right? We host external events, and this includes tech talks and panels. We've hosted datathons in the past, such as our datathon for social good, where we partnered with IBM, and we've also done case competitions as well. In terms of like club activities, what we do is we have the consulting division, which is kind of the group that's running this case workshop today. And what we do for our consulting committee is we use advanced analytics for large corporations and startups around the Bay Area, right? Because we really want to not only make an impact for our client, but also as students get that real world experience of data science projects. And then other parts of our club, such as the Academic Development Committee and the DeCal Committee, are more focused on teaching and kind of educating the Berkeley community about data science in a variety of different ways. So for example, our Academic Development Committee hosts more than nine actually, data science workshops per semester. And that same committee also has a general membership program, which is kind of designed for people who are looking to get, for actually all levels of experience of data science, just looking to get more of like a project-based experience as well, although not with like a client. We also host a DeCal as well, Essential Tools for Data Scientists. We run that entire DeCal. Some of our project managers were actually previously directors or TAs for the DeCal. If you're interested in applying as a student for that, we'll get into the timeline for that as well, or if you're interested in applying as a TA. And then lastly, in terms of like internal activities, what we do is we have a lot of member development workshops. And this is kind of like our semester-long internal program. And this is really oriented towards us as students trying to look more into getting career-oriented and getting advice on resumes, getting advice on which sorts of roles to apply to and how to apply to them, things like that. So these are just a few of the places that our alumni have gone to work for full-time. We get into a variety of different companies, right? All really great companies. Most of them generally are really innovating in some space having to do with data, right? Whether that's data science specifically or even consulting, right? Even some consulting firms are really starting to look more into data science consulting as well. But essentially, we really are successful wherever we go, and we have that really strong alumni network that you guys will be able to utilize if you are able to get in. Next, we have, so these are kind of the 4 different committees that we have right now. So there's the consulting committee, which is the committee that all of us, and when I say us, I mean me and all the project managers that are here today. That's the committee that all of us are a part of. Then there's the academic development committee, which I talked about earlier, the DeCal committee, which I also talked about. And we have a brand new committee called the social good committee, which is kind of in the initial stages. But if you're interested in that, feel free to ask us some questions about that. So now I want to take some time to introduce all of our project managers.
Yeah, I can go. Hi guys, my name is Rick. I'm a 3rd year studying EECS, and this is my 3rd semester as PM for DSS. I'll just keep that short, so I'm excited to meet y'all.
Hey all, my name is Kevin. I'm a 4th year CS major, and this is my 2nd semester PMing. I'm more than happy to chat with y'all later in the breakout rooms or in Discord.
Hey guys, my name is Alina. I'm a 2nd year EECS major. This will also be my 2nd semester PMing. So yeah, excited to meet.
And yeah, hey guys, my name is Pranav. I'm a 4th year EECS senior, also my 2nd year as a PM and 4th semester in DSS.
Hey everyone, my name's Andy Shaw. I'm a fourth year, majoring in EECS and minoring in data science, and I'm looking forward to getting to know more of you.
Hi, my name is Grace. I'm a junior studying data science and business administration, and this is my first semester as a PM.
Hi everyone, I'm Pooja. I'm studying data science and econ. I'm a fourth year, and this is my first semester as a PM.
Hi everyone, my name is Abhik. I'm a computer science and economics major, and this is also my first semester as a PM, but my fifth semester in DSS. I worked with the DeCal before.
Hi everyone, my name is Ali Raj. I'm a statistics major and data science minor, and this is my first semester as a PM, but I've been in data science society for 4 semesters now.
Hey, my name is Youngli. I'm a senior studying applied math and data science. I've been in DSS for 2 semesters now, and this is my first semester PM.
Yeah, and by the way, yeah, just to introduce myself a little more. Yeah, again, my name is Samir Paranik. This is my 4th semester in DSS, and prior to being director of consulting, I was a project manager for 2 semesters and also a consultant for 1. Yeah, so now getting a little bit more into the recruitment timeline. So the main thing to note is that the application to apply to committees is due this Friday at 6 p.m. So please note it's 6 p.m. It's kind of a weird time, but no late submissions will be accepted. Soon after that, you guys will know whether or not you've been accepted for an interview for first round interviews, which are more technical in nature. And those will be over Saturday and Sunday. Then after that, there will be coffee chats on Monday and Tuesday of the following week, and then decisions will come out on Wednesday for committee applications, right? Then in terms of, we have another program called General Membership, which is what I was talking about before, and you'll be able to apply to this General Membership program after decisions come out about committee applications. So if you end up not getting into any of the committees that you applied for, we highly, highly, highly recommend applying to General Membership. We have a lot of members who come from General Membership, and it's just like a really great way to get your feet wet in terms of like data science project experience. That application is due on Wednesday night. That Friday will be the application review, and then decisions for General Membership will come out on September 11th. Okay, cool. Now we will get into breakout rooms, and the PMs will be taking over from there. I'm going to be back in the main room, but just bear with us while we start to set that up. Okay.